Good morning, guys. Today is prom day, and y'all know I'm going to vlog, cause why not? I'm going to get ready. I just got home. I went to my breakfast. Got my graduation tickets, and it was good. The food stinks, but it was a good thing. I got some hair jewelries. I got some earrings, and we are going to look so bomb for prom. And you guys know I'm doing everything by myself, so it's kind of like a big deal. And today is Thursday, May 23, and we are going to be late at prom. But I have to go to Walgreens, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all with me because why not? My tummy hurts, so I just drank like a cup of coffee, a medium cup of coffee from McDonald's, and I'm not feeling awake yet. So that's kind of a problem, because yeah. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go to Walgreens and I'm gonna get some nails. I cannot wear fake nails because my job kind of don't want that. So I have to buy those ugly ass nails from a nail thing. And they got my hair growing, okay. So I'm gonna put my hair in a bun. I look ugly AF because I have no makeup on and I'm freaking tired. Don't judge me. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be right back, and I'm just gonna vlog when I'm at Walgreens. So I'm gonna go to Walgreens. Go put my headphone on because I bitch don't wanna be bored as fuck. I feel so weird not being in school. I'll see you guys at Walgreens. So yeah, I got the fake nails. They're simple as fuck, so kind of okay with me. I think that's all. Let's go pay. Okay, y'all, I am home. I just took a shower, and I have to go wash this color out of my hair so I can have my natural hair out. And that's really it. It's like, I don't know what time it is because I don't have my phone, but it's like, I think it's already 12. So I have 4 hours to get ready because at 5 I gotta leave, and I'm gonna have to pick my girl off, and we're gonna take some pictures and all that. I do not know if I'm going to vlog at prom because I want to enjoy the night. I will just try to put a little bit of things in there, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog at prom. I just wanted to tell you guys, so where the prom at, but yeah, I'm gonna wash this off. Ooh, crazy hair. And I'm just gonna do my ponytail and then wrap my hair and then just let it lay. And that's really gonna be it. So y'all, my hair is done. I washed the color out of it, but I still have dye in my hair, but it's like my hair dye, which is not temporary, so it's not gonna come off. This is my hair. I'm going to blow dry it. So yeah, I'm gonna use my blow dryer and my brush, and I'm just gonna play with it until it's all fluff out. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to use my oil from African Prime Moisture Miracles collection. Not a lot. So y'all, I am going to finish my hair and I'll be right back when it is all done. And I think I'm gonna go take a nap for a while. And yeah, I laid on the couch watching TV trying to fall asleep, but I couldn't. So it's already 2 o'clock right now, so I'm just gonna do my hair and I gotta do my nails and all that. This is the hair, y'all. Okay, y'all, so that my hair is like all brushed, I'm going to use my Echo Gel. So I'm just putting the gel and just then y'all, I'm going to braid. So y'all, I got my bun and all that. I'm gonna pull out some of my edges. Okay, y'all, edges all laid. Oh, I have a big ass forehead. Okay, like without edges. Oh, sis, I have it's like I don't fucking know what this shit is. I'm gonna wipe my hair with it. My hair fake weave here, and this shit's long cause like y'all bitch extra. How many inches is this? 56 inches. Okay, y'all. You need a hair tie. I don't even think I'm gonna put sound in it. I don't even know what I'm trying. Okay, guys. So just braid. Have a like ponytail, y'all, and then we have some hairs out. We're gonna use, I don't know how you call these.
I don't either.
We're gonna use this to curl these strings. I cannot do this with my hair.
Your real hair?
Yeah. No more high school.
You back with it?
I'm back with it. You see the video I posted on my Instagram like when we were at the mall? Someone texted me like, oh, the person at the back in the back just ruined the whole video. I'm like, I know, right? Like, she over here doing me dirty. So, oh, hot. We got hot water. Just gonna put this. Oh, this is long, sis. This is curly, sis. Look at the curls. I think I'm gonna make like 3 videos. My right still like, I just caught him. Yeah, what is that? I don't want to know. I cannot wait for y'all to go to high school. All these little friends are going to leave your ass. Look at these girls. Who's mamas? Oh, I did that. Okay, I'm gonna take these out. It's too long. Okay, y'all, look at this. Ooh. Do I look cute yet? I need to do my makeup because I look ugly as fuck right now. Okay.